went a little. Somewhere along the way, I lost my sunglasses. So, you'll know from last week that we are in a new truck and on our maiden voyage with this truck. So far, so good. The basic floor plan is the same as what we've had. The big differences come all up here. And we'll get to those right now. We are on our way to Michigan. And we currently have, what? What do we have?
Like in the trailer?
Yeah.
Containers.
Okay. I don't know, but we got about 24,000 pounds. And we are headed to Grand Rapids, right? Yep. Grand Rapids, Michigan. Our first order of business really on this trip, we've got everything kind of settled in and know where we want everything to be. We've got a little bit of fine tuning to do. But we have
got a Chris in the truck too.
Yeah, I haven't farted yet. Anyway, we still have some particular things that we need to get sorted out, and we can only do that by stopping at the Iowa 80 truck stop because they have what we need, like the big plastic shoe brushes that we strap to the steps outside the door, and I need a pair of sunglasses because so let's go to the Iowa 80. Somebody got some Coast Guard decorations for the truck. So Iowa 80, always a good place to spend money, right?
So how do your fans?
in the new truck. That was kind of tight, actually.
A little bit of a tight fit.
Yeah. Now we are off to
Grand Haven.
Yeah, Grand Haven. It's over on the Lake Coast.
Parts.
Yeah. 4 stops on the way back to deliver those. So let's go pick up some Wilson trailer parts. It is Wilson, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's go pick up Wilson trailer parts. Boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen, let me start off this day by saying good news. The hunt for sunglasses is over. Says the guy who stopped at pretty much every mom and pop place just so I could find a pair. Thanks, honey. Well, I didn't get any footage of the pickup yesterday because it was a muddy, nasty mess at Jost in, what was it, Grand Haven?
Yeah.
Yeah, Grand Haven, Michigan. So, sorry about that. The drive down here was quick. Well, the drive from there, I guess, really I should say, was quick. We stopped in Champaign and went to, shocking no one, a cigar lounge. Somebody woke us up bright and early at 4 o'clock this morning.
That guy.
And we headed down here to Moberly, and here we are at the first of 4 deliveries. The other 3 are all tomorrow, starting in Sioux City.
Get back.
Oh, you're right, that was quick. We got our 1 pallet offloaded already? Sweet! So now we are on our way to Sioux City. People, we have made our second delivery in Sioux City just moments ago. And let's see, what's the date today? Today is the 22nd of February. And if you were paying attention at that time, we had heat wave in the south part of the country and blizzard conditions on the north side. So the snow is just starting to come down in Sioux City. Hasn't really been snowing for very long, but west of here, where our other 2 deliveries are, yeah, north and west of here, where our other 2 deliveries are, they've got road closures and things are pretty bad there. So, again, on this load, we're not making the final 2 deliveries. I don't know.
We've had this load before, it didn't make the final 2 deliveries.
Yep. So we've been instructed to take this trailer over to our drop lot, and then we are going down to Denison and out to Pennsylvania.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see if the weather holds. I don't know what's going to happen, but stick around and you'll find out as we do.
Be back. We're not going to Pennsylvania. We gotta go swap a load with a guy that is out in Rapid City. We gotta go pick this load up and head across South Dakota during a blizzard. The only problem we're gonna run into, we can't make it to Rapid City today because of the hours I have.
Or don't have.
So we will get this picked up. It is loaded and ready to go in Storm Lake.
And head west.
And start heading westbound.
Last time we talked to you guys was Wednesday. It is now Friday. See right there. It's Friday, and that little bit of footage you saw, that's why it's been 2 days since we moved anywhere.
We ain't done a damn thing.
We had dinner with friends. That was a good time.
We got back to the yard, and shortly after we got there, our vice president made the command decision that if you were in these states, you are to shut down immediately.
Yeah, basically north of I-80.
Yeah.
The DOT eventually closed most of the state of South Dakota anyway. And so now we are most of the way to our destination at Rapid City, South Dakota to make this swap. And then we will head back. Not sure if we're going to take this load all the way back to Springfield, Missouri or not, because somebody has a doctor's appointment on Monday in Lamar's. So we'll see. I guess we'll find out together. For us, huh?
Can't feel my fingers. The truck we're swapping with, he can't pull off underneath his trailer because the fifth wheel teeth clamp, whatever, the grease is so cold, so thick, it won't open up far enough for him to release. So that's what we're trying to fix.
Yeah, that trailer swap took almost 30 minutes. Well, yeah, I guess it did take a little over 30 minutes.
We were there almost 2 hours, but the actual trailer swap took about 45 minutes to an hour because the guy we were swapping with, the jaws on his fifth wheel plate wouldn't open. They were frozen shut.
So we're not going to have time to get this load delivered down in Springfield before we need to be back in Lamar's for his doctor's appointment. So we are just leaving the Loves. Now we're headed back over to the yard, drop this trailer off, and see where we go from there. But that is a story for next week. And you know what we always say at this point in the video?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Tell all of your friends. But in the meantime, thanks for watching.
See you bye.
See you bye.